Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Duri Freelance Marketer, and in today's video I'm going to show how to create a free website for an online tutor. I'm going to use Olitt Website Builder because it's free, simple to use, and they offer free web hosting and free SSL. As you can see, I've already logged into my Olitt account and I've already chosen the template I'd like to use for today. And in today's video I'll also show you to connect your own domain, how to edit the name of your website, how to add your icon, and finally how to integrate MailChimp to your website. So let's start. As you can see, I'll not change the image because I think it's okay for this tutorial, but I'll first off by changing this name, sorry. I'll change it to the online tutor, something simple that we can use for today. And this description, I'll write something simple as hi, I am a full-time biology researcher and a tutor with over 5 years experience. As you can see, I'm giving it something short, but I'm pretty sure when you create your own website you'll be able to come up with something more engaging, something more beautiful that will make your audience or other your users trust you more. The next step is to list down your courses. For this tutorial, I'm not going to change anything, but I'm pretty sure when you make your own website, you will write down your own prices, your own courses, and also add your own images. So we can scroll down, and also here you can write the testimonials from your students, the teachers, and all the clients you've worked with. But for this case, I'm not going to change anything, so we can just dive into the MailChimp integration. As you can see, Olitt already provided their own form, so I'm going to delete this because I don't need it. I'll delete it, and I'll come to blocks, click on it, and then scroll at the bottom because that's where the MailChimp integrations are, and I want the contact form, so I'll drag it to my website and add it there. So here it is. So I don't want it to be there, I'll drag it to be in the middle. Yeah, that's fine. So once you do that, you can go to your MailChimp account, and once you're logged in, you will click on audience, and you'll come to sign up forms. So here you can either choose the form builder, you can choose embed forms, you can choose subscriber pop-up, you can choose contact form or form integration, or even Facebook, or any, whichever it is you prefer. But for this case I want the contact form, so I'll select. If you're a new user, you'll be required to create your own form to edit it, and once you edit and publish the form is when you'll be given the URL. So I already have mine, so I'll just copy it and come back to my site, click on that, click on settings, and paste the form. So once you do that, it's supposed to load. Yes, so this is how it's going to look like. So once users, if they want to contact me through my website, they can do this, and once they message me I'll be able to see it on my contact in my MailChimp account. So once you're done with that, we can go back to this image. I don't think we need this image. We also don't need this because you already have our own contact form, and there's a column here that I think we should delete also. So here, let's say, let's work together and achieve the results you desire. So of course we're going to add our social links. So as you remember, you click on the, let's start with LinkedIn, you click on the icon and come to settings, and here you'll add your own link. For my case, let me click on my links. I can copy that and come back here and paste it there, but I don't want it to close my website, so I want to be redirecting my users to the next tab so that they do not leave my own website. So I'll click on new window. That's my target. So the next thing we'll be adding is Twitter, so I'll copy that and come to my Twitter icon, settings, paste it there. My target is a new window, so my next account is Instagram. Oops. So I'll copy that, Instagram, settings, paste it and choose a new window. So for now I don't have a Facebook account, so what I'll do, I'll delete it because I don't need it. So after that, let me close this also, and we're done with this, so we can close it too. So after that, as you can see, I'm done, and also I'll need to change the year for this to be 2021, and we can change this too. We can delete the Olitt and put designed by. So here we can use our own name. For now, the name we're using, of course I'm the one who designed it, so I'll use by the freelance marketer, and I'll want to add my own link, so I'll highlight this name and click on link. So here I can decide to put this link, since it contains all my social media platforms on my website. I'll put that there and make sure it's HTTPS depending on your website, then click OK. So we can visit this site and see how our website has come up. I'll have to delete that. So this is how the site looks like. This is the contact form, as you can see, and this is my website. Let me change certain things, like this. I want to move it. That is text. Okay, so because I don't want the Olitt band-aids to block this, I'll move it here. That can be there, and scroll up. I think I left an image. Let me change the background color of this navigation to dark so that it's clear. Yes, so this is how the site is supposed to look like. Let's visit it once more. Yes, this is how the site looks like. So when we click on the Instagram, the social links that we added, everything is working fine. So I think I'm making a mistake somewhere. Let me change the header, the background color, so that when we click on certain things, say okay. Okay, right. So once that is done, we can go back and we can connect our own domains and change the website name and add certain icons. So what you'll do is you'll click on more actions, connect domain. So if you don't have a domain, you can choose to purchase, but I already have certain domains that I would like to show you. So it's called stayhydrated.co.ke. Then click on connect. So in order to make sure that the connection is successful, you need to go to your domain name provider and change the name servers from whichever they were to olitt.com dot ns1.olitt.com, ns1.olitt.net. So when I visit stay hydrated, it's going to show me, yes, this is my website. I've already connected it. It's still the same. And I think here I may have made a mistake on my end while I was showing you guys the tutorial. I'll fix on that later. So this is how you connect your domain. It's as simple as that. As long as the name servers are the same as the ones for Olitt, and the A records are the ones they recommend, that is, A record should be this. You copy this IP address and edit it on your domain provider, and also the CNAME you put at www.olitt.com. It's something that's that simple. So these are the plugins which I'll show you in the next video. So we can go back to this. I want to change the name of the website. I'll name it you'll come to more actions, then SEO, and here I want to name it something as simple as the online tutor. Then click on save, and also here I'll just put the online tutor, as simple as that, and I'll save it. So when I reload this tab, as you can see, it's changed. Also, let me add an icon. You can choose something as simple as that. Yes, as you can see, it's loaded. Sorry, it's loading. I mean, it's saved. So if you reload, it's supposed to give us that. Although I think there's something wrong with my internet, but it's supposed to pick up the icon. So basically that's how you connect a domain. That's how you change the name of your website, and that is how you integrate your MailChimp contact form to your website in Olitt. And I hope that everybody has understood everything that I've shown today. I think certain things like the navigation bar and this mistake here, it's all on my internet connection. I don't know why it's bugging, but I'll be able to connect and I'll be able to rectify them, and I will not disconnect the domain from this website, and you can always visit it and see how good the website looks once I've rectified all the errors I've made. Either way, thank you for watching the video. Always remember, stay safe, and in case of anything, do always reach out to me. You can message me via email or social media, and I'm always willing to help or assist in any way. Thank you, and bye.